Good morning, children. Today we are doing our penmanship lesson. And for our penmanship lesson, we are looking at capital letters. Capital letters are those tall letters that we use at the beginning of sentences, our names, the days of the week, the months of the year, and much more. Today we are going to write the date, which begins with a capital letter. The date is Wednesday. And we are also going to write the month. The month of the year is February. So let's look to the board here. Now, today is Wednesday. So we write the W for Wednesday. We start at the corner here. You see where at the top of the red line in the corner here, our capital letter starts on this top red line here. Remember, they are tall letters. So that's why they have to start on top. So let's go. We do a slanting down and we get to that second blue line and stop. Don't go any further. Okay? All right, let's continue now. And we go slanting back up to the red line. When you get to the red line here, you stop. Then we do a slanting down again to the blue line and a slanting back up. Do you see that capital W? It starts at the top line, the red line. Now the blue line here is where we begin our common letters. The E, for instance, one stroke across and halfway around. Make your E fit between the two blue lines. Remember, the E does not start here, he starts underneath. Okay, let's do the D. Now we start at the blue line. So the D is a common letter as well. Halfway around, but he goes up like a helicopter and he comes back down. So the D is not a capital letter, but he is tall and he goes up to the red line like the other capital letters. But we must remember he is what we call an ascender, which means he goes up. Okay, let's do the N. N is a common letter. Down, up, around, down. Make it neat. Very good. Let's do another E. Bend that corner. Very good. Let's do the S. The S fits between those two blue lines. This is a common S we're writing. Take your time. There's no rush. Okay, so we're almost finished with Wednesday. Let's do another D. Halfway around. And remember I told you that the D is an ascender. The ascend means to go up, 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 up like a helicopter. Come back down. And he bumps it. Remember how to bump it? Okay, two more letters. The A, common A, halfway up, down, and bump it. Did you notice how the A doesn't go all the way up like the D? Because the A is not an ascender. Let's go. Y, down, curve it up. Now the Y has a tail that meets the second red line. Wednesday. Very good. Now today is the 10th, so you write a 1 and a 0. Do it nicely. Let those numbers fit between those two blue lines. And let's do the TH. Down, pivot, one stroke across. And from here, we're getting ready to go all the way up because the H is like the D is an ascender. So he goes up, 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 like a helicopter, come back down, up, around, down. Okay, so you see the H and the D are ascenders. They go up, even though they're common letters. They go up to meet the capital letter lines. Now, as I told you, we are writing February. February begins with a capital F. So let's go. One stroke down, across, and across. Go ahead. Let's do the E. Across and halfway around. Now, here's another ascender, the B. It starts from the top. Common B is an ascender because it has that long line. R, U, A, R, and Y. And of course, the Y's tail touches that red line and curves it. So here we have Wednesday with a capital W, and we have February with a capital F. Wednesday, 10th February. Now let's write some capital letters. We are going to write the capital C. Now the capital C is just a simple halfway around. However, remember that he is capital, a big letter, so he starts at the red line. So let's go. So we do a halfway around, very big. That's the capital C. Do you see that? Go ahead and let's write a common C next to it so we can compare them. Here's the common C between the two blue lines. Do you see the difference? The capital C starts at the red line, the common C starts at the first blue line. Okay, now let's do the K. So we leave a space, a finger space, and we do the capital K from the red line, one stroke down. Good. Then we kick it out, the red line, and we kick it out. That's the capital K. Let's make the common K. Now, the common K is an ascender as well, because it starts from the top and goes down. Now, we go up. Remember how we make that fancy K? We go up, make the bow. Let's go make that bow and kick it out. Very good. Take your time with that bow and kick it out. So you see we have the capital K, the common K. Let's make a capital E. Red line, one stroke down, across, across, and across. That's capital E. Let's make the common E. Across and halfway around. Did you notice something here? The capital C and the common C are the same shape. It's just that the capital C is taller. The capital K and the common K, they have almost the same shape. But the capital E and the common E are very different. The only thing they have that is the same is the one stroke across. So we have capital C, common C, capital K, common K, capital E, common E. Let's make one more capital letter and common letter. H. Very easy. We just do a one stroke down from that red line. Remember, all our capital letters start here. And then we do it on the other side again. And then we do one stroke across. That's the capital H. Now let's write the common H. The common H, as I told you, is an ascender. And ascend means to go up. So he starts from the red line and he goes down, up, around, down, and bump it. Do you see that? So today we've written the letters C, K, E, H. Next day, we will look at some more capital letters and how they are written.